All right, Derek, so you and your team, you specialize in renderings and the design process, but renderings can't account for every little detail or things that can happen through the process of once installation is taking place. But I want to talk about this specifically because you pointed it out, and it's something that some contractors might turn a blind eye to. But what happened here?
Well, basically, we let the clients typically pick their own refrigerator, so we never know exactly what we're getting. We always check out for measurements to make sure we're building the custom cabinetry around it. But what happens from time to time is you have a situation like this where the client gets a fridge, we put it in, we go to open the door, oh no, we're hitting the door handle.
Yeah, it's the handle right here.
Obviously, not very good. Now, we could fix that by pulling this out, half an inch like that, and then he wouldn't hit it. But that's not how we do
You're
business.
not going to be happy and they're not going to be happy. So what did you do?
So what we're going to do is we're going to get 2 new doors, and we're going to put touch latches on both sides.
And this goes back in.
And this goes back in, and then you won't have the door handle here. You'll just be able to touch latch open and touch latch close. It'll be beautiful.
Amazing. Easy fix, easy solution, and it's going to look like you never knew.
Absolutely. And I would just say that make sure that when you're talking to your contractor, there's a lot of times there's a loss in communication. The clients are picking their refrigerator. They should go to the manufacturer. They should go to the showroom. They should open the doors, see what the clearance is, and if they feel there might be an issue, to contact the contractor. It's no big deal. We fix it for them. We'll put 2 new doors in there. Not a big deal. But obviously, these are things that happen in the communication of things. When the client's there in the showroom, they have to look about how these things open and see if there's any types of scenarios like this.
Absolutely. Easy fix, but it's the little details that matter, and great resolution for how to make it better.
Absolutely.
Awesome.